Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and become part of our family. Now, this is the third time we're doing this, and I'm really liking this. So I hope that they keep killing it and keep bringing us cool boxes. I hate when I see like spoilers for these kind of boxes because generally there's like only one round of these boxes. Like it's not a whole bunch of different variations. So I really hate when we see spoilers on thumbnails for these boxes. Just show the box. Just show the box. You don't need to show the items that are in the box, you guys, because there's no different variations. So people that do videos, they ruin it for other people that get these boxes by putting the items on the thumbnail. So I did see that there was like a curling iron or a flat iron or some kind of heat tool in this box. I hope it wasn't real. I mean, it does feel a little weighted than normal. So, I mean, that ruins one thing, and there's only like normally like 5 things in this box anyway. I don't know, just a little rant there. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to start the video off on a bad tone, but I really enjoy this box and I like being surprised when I open it. And I'm really, like I said, really enjoying this. So let's just get into it. I was right. So when you open it up, there is the flat iron in our little bundle of joy here, little pink bundle of joy. But yes, so we have a Sutra mini flat iron in the box, which I mean is really cute. I'm excited, but I didn't want it to be spoiled. It makes me upset. All right, so we have our little card here. I have a $5 off coupon. I need to start using those. I had a $10 one last time. And here's our little pink bundle of joy. I love that. It's so cute that they wrap it up. So let's see what's in this, because I didn't see any other spoilers. I just seen that, that spoils the box right there, but you know. Ooh, there's some goodies in this. I love this box. I'm loving this box. Okay, so let's see if I can find the items that are on here. So the first thing I'm gonna pull, because I'm excited for this, it is a little scrunchie. It says, created from Macy's Velvet Hair Scrunchie. This little bonus serves up the smooth hair you want and the 90s vibe. Pro tip, tie a loose ponytail before bed to preserve style and prevent breakage. I love little scrunchies and this one is cute, so I'm excited for that. We have our, oh, is there only one? Normally we get 2 perfumes, but we only have 1, and it is Michael Kors Gorgeous. And then here is what the bottle looks like. So there's that. Yeah, normally we get 2 of those, and I really like getting those. All right, now what do we have next here? This is, don't even know how to say this, and I'm probably gonna mess it up, but I love getting this kind of stuff. It's a dry shampoo. Chlorine, I guess. Extend the life of your look with this award-winning plant-based dry shampoo. The ultrafine powder leaves hair clean, refreshed, and full of texture and volume. Valued at $29 for the full size. I love getting little dry shampoos. I go through them and I love them. So keep them coming, boxes. All right, is this another one? It's a root lifter, but again, these are great. So this is from Dry Bar. It is Southern Belle Volume Boosting Root Lifter. This ultra plumping spray foam targets roots for instant lift and volume, $26 for full size. I think I've used this and I do like it. So there's that, and it smells good too. All right, you guys were going through it pretty quickly, but I'm like excited. Like all these items, I'm like, yes, I love it. Here's another one. I already do have this and I love it and I use it. So I'm glad to have another one. So it is the Verb Ghost Oil. Fun fact, I'm using this huge Verb shampoo and conditioner in my shower right now. So it's basically what I use every day. Not the oil, but the shampoo and conditioner. And this says, this weightless wonder oil is infused with moringa oil and bamboo extract to smooth fizz, straighten your hair, and help retain moisture. Full size is valued at $18, but there's quite a bit in there. You don't need a lot of oil. So I'm excited for this. Super excited for that. I love Verb. Love it. All right, and these two go together, it looks like. So we have a shampoo and conditioner. I can't even hold it so you can see it. Shampoo and conditioner. And Rahua classic shampoo and classic conditioner. Made with the signature Rahua, I'm probably saying that wrong, oil from the Amazon. The shampoo will strengthen weak, damaged hair, maintain scalp, and leave your tresses soft, silky, and luminous. And then, of course, the conditioner says fortifies, hydrates, and detangles. The shampoo is valued at $34, conditioner at $36 for full sizes. I love trying new shampoos, but like I said, right now I'm going through that huge Verb one. But I will definitely put these inside and give them a try because we're not traveling. Generally, I throw it like in the traveling drawer. But I do, like, when I get these, I guess for like the past year now, obviously, I've just been like, you know, every once in a while to like change things up. Because if you're using the same shampoo all the time, I kind of feel like your hair gets used to it. So when you throw in like a little one of these to like throw the balance off and everything, for me, now it might not work for everybody else, but generally, you know, by the time I'm done this bottle, my hair's, you know, it feels a little different and it's ready to go back to my normal shampoo and conditioner. Normally it'll like make my, grab anything that's left in there, maybe like build up or whatever. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy, but I love to do that. So anyway, while I'm rambling, there are those. So the last thing is the Suture Beauty Mini Ceramic Flat Iron. And it doesn't tell us the price. Full size is $80. So it doesn't tell us the price. Carry in your bag for style touch-ups. It's not a battery one. It's definitely not batteries. All right, you guys, I loved this box. I wish the flat iron would not have been spoiled because I probably would have fallen out of my chair seeing that in this Macy's box, which is like 15 bucks. A flat iron, crazy. So please, people, if you do these videos, don't put that on your thumbnail. BoxyCharm and Ipsy's different because there's so many different variations. We're not getting different variations of this box. If you understand me and you agree with me, let me know down below that I'm not being like, you know, just let me know. Anyway, recapping, because this has been full of rambling, we have our little mini iron, our shampoo and conditioner. You guys, $15. The volumizer, the dry shampoo, I can't even hold it, the ghost oil, the sample of cologne, and the scrunchie, $15. I love this box. I will continue to get this box. I wish I would have gotten the very first one back because it had all those colognes in it. But I'm super happy to be part of it now, and I love it so much. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.